The French press. It's simple, it's elegant, and it makes a cracking cup of coffee. No fancy gadgets, just you, freshly ground beans, and hot water. It's the perfect way to start the day. Unlike electric brewers, the French press gives you complete control. You control the grind, the water, temperature, and the steeping time. This means you can tailor your coffee exactly to your liking. Strong and bold? No problem. Smooth and mellow? Easy peasy. The key to a great French press brew is the grind. It's not just about the beans or the water temperature. The grind size plays a crucial role in the final taste of your coffee. Forget those fine powders you see in the supermarket. Those are meant for espresso machines, not for your French press. For a French press, we want coarse, chunky grounds. Think coarse sand or even small pebbles. This texture is essential for the brewing process. Why coarse? Well, fine grinds clog up the mesh filter. This not only makes it harder to press, but also affects the flavor. This leads to over-extraction and a bitter, muddy cup. Over-extraction happens when the water extracts too many compounds from the coffee, resulting in an unpleasant taste. Coarse grinds allow water to flow through easily, extracting all the good flavors without the bitterness. The water can move freely, ensuring a balanced extraction. A good burr grinder is your best friend here. It ensures that each particle of coffee is the same size, which is vital for a consistent brew. It grinds beans consistently, which is crucial for an even extraction. Consistency in grind size means that each particle will extract at the same rate. Blade grinders? They chop the beans inconsistently, leading to an uneven brew. Uneven particles result in some being over-extracted while others are under-extracted, ruining the balance of flavors. With your coarse grounds ready, let's talk timing. Timing is crucial in brewing the perfect cup of coffee. Boiling water is a big no-no. It can ruin the delicate flavors of your coffee. It scorches the coffee, leaving you with a burnt, unpleasant taste. No one wants that in their morning cup. Aim for water just off the boil, around 200 degrees Fahrenheit or 93 degrees Celsius. This temperature is perfect for extracting the best flavors. Add your grounds to the French press, pour in the hot water, and give it a gentle stir. This helps to evenly saturate the grounds. Now comes the hardest part, waiting. It might seem like forever, but it's worth it. 4 minutes is the magic number for a balanced brew. This is the sweet spot for extracting the right amount of flavors. During these 4 minutes, the coffee blooms, releasing its beautiful aromas. The anticipation builds as the fragrance fills the air. Resist the urge to press too early. Patience, my friend, patience. The wait will reward you with a rich, flavorful cup of coffee. Consistency is key. Mastering the plunge. This step is crucial for achieving that perfect cup of coffee. After 4 glorious minutes of brewing, it's time to plunge. This is where the magic happens. But don't just ram it down. Doing so can disrupt the grounds and ruin the flavor. Press slowly and steadily, applying even pressure. This gentle approach ensures a smooth extraction. This ensures all the grounds are evenly extracted, giving you a balanced and rich taste. Once the plunger reaches the bottom, your coffee is ready. But there's one more step to perfect it. But don't let it sit in the French press. If you do, the grounds will continue to steep. Continuing to steep will make your coffee bitter and over-extracted. Decant it into a carafe or mugs immediately to preserve the flavor. See those few remaining grounds at the bottom of your cup? Perfectly normal and expected. It's part of the charm of the French press, adding a rustic touch to your coffee experience. Experiment and enjoy. Mastering the French press takes a bit of practice, but it's well worth the effort. Experiment with different beans, grind sizes, and brewing times to find your perfect cup. Remember, the most important ingredient is you. So relax, enjoy the process, and savor every sip of your delicious homemade French press coffee.